Is your business going through a tailspin because there's no real organization? Don't have time or not sure what the next steps are in developing your SOPs to organize your business? Guess what, guys? Flying by the seat of your pants is not a business strategy. Let's talk about ways to help you organize and standardize your business operations for your business growth. Stay tuned. Hey there, awesome folks. This is Mentor Shelley, wanting to make sure that you become a better version of yourself professionally, guys. We are talking about the importance today of standard operating procedures for your business and ways to overcome challenges that your business currently presents without standard operating procedures in place. Is your business a hot, wretched mess? Are you spending too much time trying to figure out what needs to be done and how it should be done? The answer may be that your business is missing a crucial ingredient of SOPs, standard operating procedures. SOPs are important for any business because they help to streamline your operations, improve efficiencies, reduce costs, and keep everyone on the same page. Yes! Let's explore why SOPs are so important and why they can help clean up the mess in your business. So, what are standard operating procedures, you might ask? Standard operating procedures are documents that are outlining step-by-step instructions for completing tasks within an organization. They are designed to ensure consistent quality of products or services across all departments and staff members. By having a clear expectation outlined in writing, everyone in the organization has a better understanding of their responsibilities and how their actions contribute to overall success of the business. So, of course, the benefit of using SOPs is quite obvious. Using them help businesses save time and eliminate guesswork and reduce training time for new employees. Everyone knows exactly what needs to be done, when it needs to be done, and how it should be done, which eliminates confusion and duplication of work. That is wonderful. It also improves customer satisfaction by ensuring consistent quality across all products and services offered. In addition, SOPs can reduce costs because they allow employees to focus on more complex tasks instead of wasting time on mundane tasks that can easily be automated with an SOP in place. Lastly, implementing SOPs gives business an edge over the competitors because it makes them more efficient and organized than other businesses who may not have taken the time to create clear expectations for their staff. So, the next thing you're guessing, of course, how can this be implemented in your company? It's important to identify which processes need standardizing first before creating an SOP document for each one. Start with outlining each process step by step so you can have a clear picture of what needs to happen in order for the task to be done completed successfully every single time. So you're going to have to work this process. Once you have this information documented properly, you can divide up tasks among team members or assign them as individual duties depending on the size of your organization, whether you have a one-man show, two-man show, or 250,000-man show. Then set reasonable guidelines for completing each task as well as any necessary follow-up actions that need to take place afterwards. Lastly, make sure all team members understand their roles in executing the proper procedures so that there's no room for confusion or miscommunication down the line. SOPs have a huge, when I say huge, I mean huge impact on any business bottom line if they're implemented correctly. It helps to keeping the implementation consistently followed through proper maintenance over time. Not only will they help improve efficiencies within your organization, but they'll also help to provide clarity around roles and responsibilities, as well as give everybody a better understanding of how their efforts contribute towards achieving organizational goals. At this point, if your business is a mess right now due to lack of direction or structure, then creating and following through with standard operating procedures could very well be the answer you have been looking for to clean up this mess. So, if you're needing help to get your SOPs done in your business, do not know where to start, you can go to mentorshelley.com/HR cons to get started. Let's have a conversation. And of course, if you have just general questions about SOPs, you can go to mentorshelley.com/contact, where you can leave me a voicemail or an email message, which will be returned within 24 hours, guys. We want your companies to grow to its full potential, but standard operating procedures are needed to build a strong foundation first. Guys, take care, and you have a good one. Bye.